Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you guys how I designed this simple comfort fit band with 1.5mm diamonds. Show you some tricks so that when you render your design it'll look really good, because everything about this band is soft edges, as you can see in the rendering, right? So yeah, let's get this started. So okay, so it's basically this design. As you can see, this band have comfort fit, um, and everything on about this band is filleted. All right, so yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and delete this, and then we can start from the beginning. Okay, all right, first thing first, you pull up your ring rail, size 7. Okay, and then now from here, what we want to do is create our profile. Okay, so go to tools, go to profile placer. Over here, select your curve, and then select this drop down over here. Okay, and then from there you go to your side view. What you want to do is select your profiles over here. All right, so we have some comfort fit over here already that I've created. So as you can see, the profile that we're gonna use is, that's the way your ring will look. So you don't want to start with the sharp edges. Okay, so you want to start with a very rounded edges. Okay, so over here let's select this. There we go. And then we can adjust the size from here. So let's say we have about 2.8mm wide, and then the height will be about 1.8. all right, then enter. Okay, and this tutorial also you can use it for it's applicable for Rhino as well. So there's a longer way in Rhino, but I'm gonna show you that later on, guys. So let's focus on matrix for now. Okay, so from here what you want to do is jab back this, just try to save it before, always try to save your file, so that way when something crash you don't have to redo it again. All right, so let's sweep this. You sweep one, select your rail, sweep one. Okay, and then there you go, select your profile. Okay, there we go. You see how this is all rounded, right? It's very smooth, it's not boxy, right? So that way when you render your file, you render your model, it'll look really good, right? You see, it's just a sample. We're not done yet. We're still gonna put add a 1.5 milli on here. Okay, so we'll go ahead and put the gem loader, and then put 1.5. Okay, let's put this up. There's multiple ways to do this. You can use what do you call this, extract iso curve over here. You can do that too, but right now we're gonna use polar array. So we're gonna polar array, go to transform, polar array, and then select our middle, which is F4, and then I would say about 45 stones. Okay, that's too close, right? So let's try 42. Oh, too close again. About 40. Let's try 39 maybe. Okay, that looks good, right? As you can see, it goes around. This should be between 0.1 to 0.2. This looks good to me. 0.15, the separation from each zone. So yeah, let's do this. Let's try this. All right, so now I'm just gonna use half of this, delete the half. Okay, and then there you go, and then save it again. Okay, so from here what we want to do is go to channel builder. All right, From here we can select this square, rounded, and then go to the style. Actually, let's select this one, simple flat. Okay, and then what we want to do is go to 100% and then change the edge profile again. All right. Okay. Okay. Let's do this. Might be good. Let's change the height. There we go. And then enter. Right. There you go. And then save this again. Now let's try to cut this. Let's try to cut our band with the cutter that we created. So click boolean difference, click your band first, boolean difference, and then click the cutter, and there you go, enter. Right. Okay, that's not too bad, right? Now we don't have our prongs here yet, but that's okay. We're gonna put the bead setting that we got later on. All right, let's go ahead and fillet this edge. See, over here we still have sharp corners, so what we want to do is fillet this, right? So fillet edge by 0.15, select every edge you got. Okay, there we go, there we go, and then enter. There we go. As you can see, they're now rounded, right? They're rounded. If we render this will look good, but now we still need a profile. We still need a prongs over here, the bead settings, right? So select all your gems and then go to prongs, F6, go to prongs, or you can find this over here, settings, prong other. There we go. There you go. Put all your gems in here. Okay, and then from here you can adjust how you want your prongs. All right, you still want to do a fillet 100%. This is how you make your design look very good when everything is filleted. Okay. Okay. As obviously this is gonna be for render. If we're gonna go for production, you want to put this height a little about like that, about 0.8. I would say the jeweler can set that, but it's for render, so let's bring it down. It's for it's only for render, so there you go. Okay, and save this again. Alright, we're almost done. We're just gonna create our last one. The last step will be a gem cutter. Alright, so select all your gems again, put it right here, and then what we want to select the style is I would say this first one should be good, and then let's put 100% on this girdle scale. All right, enter, and then from here you can do a boolean difference from your band, and then the cutter will be your gem cutter. All right, let's see if that works. Okay, that works. If we hide the gem, as you can see, you now have a seat for your 1.5mm diamonds. All right, okay, there we go. We did it. Congrats. This is the first time you create something like this. Yeah, as you can see, everything over here is rounded. Yeah, this is a very simple band, but this looks like made by a pro, right? It's clean, it looks good, there's no sharp corners, so that's how you make your models look good. Make sure that everything is rounded. There's some times that you may need to use sharp corners, but not in this kind of design. You want to make sure that everything is rounded before you render it, and make it make sure you make it everything rounded before you render. There we go. All right, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please like and subscribe. I'm gonna keep posting tutorials so I can help the community on designing on either on Rhino or Matrix. Alright guys, good luck and thanks for watching.